Hello, everyone. Just wanted to check in and make sure that we all knew what needed to be done this week. This is I believe it's the fifth ethical analysis that you've done for this course. It is due on April. Is that correct? I don't know. It's due Sunday. I'll change it if it's not correct. But it's due Sunday by midnight. It's the only thing you need to do this week. I'd like you to do it carefully. I'd like you to do it, substantively. But it's the only thing you need to do this week. The idea is very similar to what we've done before, where we look at something in a completely free way. You write something, you analyze something, you evaluate the ethics of something, we talk about it, and then we take this so-called deeper look, which we will be doing next week by reading Peter Singer's essay on world hunger and charitable giving and things like that. So I just want to make sure we knew what we had to do this week, and that is to write a two-page, about 500-word ethical analysis. Now, I want to make sure that we know, what the assignment is too. It is just the same as really the first week when we looked at that fictional scenario involving a student who plagiarizes. This is a fictional scenario involving an encounter between two people. And the only requirement is that you do what's there in the directions, which in response to a student question, I did try to make more explicit. And that is ethically evaluate Jane's actions in the following scenario, Jane being one of the two principals here. That's all. Just ethically evaluate it. And it should be in essay form. And it should be about 500 words, which is about 2 pages in the old style. Now, one of the messages of this course in that first week is that you could do an ethical evaluation, an ethical analysis of a scenario, and that's what you did with that. I think it was Joe and Jane. Joe's situation when he decided to plagiarize a paper. You can certainly approach this however you want, but we've done some stuff in this course. We took a fairly deep look at Mill's utilitarianism and Kant's moral philosophy. So you're really obviously free and encouraged. Not that you have to, but you're encouraged to use those materials. Use what you've gained from those materials. Use those ethical frameworks, if you like, in doing this ethical evaluation. But that's what it is. It's an ethical analysis or ethical evaluation. It is very similar to the assignment from the first week, but that was a couple months ago, right? And you've done some reading in moral philosophy since then, which you are free and actually encouraged to employ. Again, not necessary. All that you need to do is to do a essay form, ethical evaluation, ethical analysis of this fictional scenario, and we will discuss it at our next meeting. So if you have any questions, any further questions, please feel free to contact me, and hopefully I can clarify things for you. Look forward to reading.